Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the top 10 most powerful passports in the world. Let's see the top 10 positions. Talking about the 10th position in our list, it is Liechtenstein. I am actually surprised while seeing this country. Before creating this stuff, I don't have any idea about this country. While searching about this country in the web, I found some interesting facts which are it is an European country and sixth smallest independent nation by area. The next thing is only 406 people were unemployed in 2016 and that includes those who were on maternity leave. And the next one is it does not have an army since 1868. The next one is it is the only country in the world whose 100% of its territory is in Alpine region. Believe it or not, Liechtenstein passport holders can travel 159 countries without any visa. Liechtenstein is an alpine country and a mountainous, making it a winter destination for most of the tourists. Now I am going to discuss about the ninth country in our list, which is occupied by two countries whose first letter is started with M. Now friends, the ninth position is occupied by Malaysia and Malta in our list. Malta is officially known as Republic of Malta in southern European island country, and Malaysia is a country in the Southeast Asia. Those people who possess the passports of these two countries are allowed to travel 163 countries without a visa. Although it is quite surprising to see Malta in the list because so many of us doesn't have any knowledge about this country before reading about this stuff in the net or whether by some other means. So it makes me completely interesting to know about the Malta countries. And now I am going to reveal the eighth position, which is occupied by a country called Iceland. It is situated in the northern Atlantic region. Despite their strict entry back a couple of centuries ago, an Iceland passport holder can enter a lot of countries without any visa. The number stands at 165 countries. A person who are possessing Iceland passport can travel, which is quite interesting. Iceland is a beautiful country, mostly surrounded by ice, which makes it a major tourist destination for the bloggers. Now, the seventh position is occupied by a country called South Korea. Officially, it is called as Republic of Korea. Is a country in East Asia. South Korea are more welcomed to every country in the world. In fact, if you hold a South Korean passport, then you can get access to 166 countries. Without a visa, you can travel to 166 countries. Now, the sixth position is occupied by almost 3 countries, and the 3 countries are Australia, surprisingly Singapore, and ancient Greece. Ranking 6th in our list of powerful passports is a tie between the above said 3 countries. If you possess the passport of Australia, Singapore, and Greece, you can able to enter into 167 countries without any visa. Most of us are familiar with these 3 countries because Australia is famous for kangaroos, Singapore is one of the richest country in the world, and Greece is famous for its ancient history and its brave heroes. And now I am going to fifth position, which is occupied by Switzerland. Austria, New Zealand. Most of us wants to go Switzerland at least once in a lifetime. These three countries are considered as the fifth most powerful countries in the world in accordance with their passport. Having possession of the passports of the above said three countries, you may allowed to travel 168 countries without any visa and without applying visa or any inconvenience. Switzerland, Austria and New Zealand. All these three countries are very beautiful countries, and now I am going to move to fourth place, which is occupied by Ireland, Japan, Canada, France, Norway, Portugal and Spain. Our fourth place sees a huge list of countries. The list consists of European powerhouses like France, Portugal and Spain, along with Ireland, Norway and joining the likes of Canada and Japan, to give access to 173 countries all over the world. If you possess one of these passports of the above said 7 countries. Of those 7 countries, I am eagerly waiting to visit Norway, Portugal and Spain because they have such beautiful weather. And now the third position is occupied by Italy, Belgium and Netherlands. It is a total European Union domination. In the third number spot, Italy joins the neighboring countries of Belgium and Netherlands to have access to 171 countries without need for any kind of visa or any inconvenience. Both Belgium and Netherlands are good friends and cooperating with them for most number of days. Both are such a beautiful country, and Italy is a very famous country all over the world. And now we are going to see the second position. Interestingly, USA, United States of America, Germany, Denmark and Luxembourg are occupying the second top most powerful countries with their passports. By possessing the passport of these countries, you can go to 172 countries without applying any visa. It is quite interesting because USA is not in the top of the list. We all know Denmark is such a country whose majority of GDP is depend upon milk and milk products. Germany is such a beautiful country, and Luxembourg is also such a beautiful country. And now I am moving to the position 1, which is occupied by 3 countries. You are going to amaze while I am reading the top countries, which are United Kingdom, Finland and Sweden. To round off our list of most powerful passports, we have United Kingdom, which is shortly called as UK, Finland and Sweden in the first position. If you hold the passports of these countries, you can travel to 173 countries with no visa. And finally my friends, this is the end of my video. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and kindly bear my language, and I will make better videos in future. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.